In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Search so you can navigate your projects more effectively. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or just someone getting started with Jira, understanding how to efficiently use the search features can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's dive into it. To begin this process, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Jira dashboard. You can do this by going to your work in Jira. This is typically the main page where you'll find all your current tasks and projects laid out. For many users, this area is your command center where you spend a significant portion of your time organizing and checking on various tasks. You've now landed on the right spot to start your search. Now, if you direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice the search icon, often resembling a magnifying glass. This icon is your gateway to accessing Jira's powerful search functionality. Click on this icon to bring up the search field. This step is crucial as it opens up the tool that will allow you to dig deeper into your projects and tasks. As the search field appears, you now have the freedom to type in any keyword or query relevant to your project. For instance, if you're looking for specific issues, type in the issue key, project name, or any descriptive word you believe is linked to what you're searching for. It's important to use descriptive and relevant terms to narrow down your search efficiently. This technique can save a lot of time, especially when you're dealing with a large volume of tasks. Once you have some results, you may want to refine them to be more precise. One of the powerful features Jira offers is the ability to filter by labels. Labels act as tags you can attach to any issue to categorize them. For example, if you've been labeling tasks by urgent, you can type label urgent to find all associated issues. This is particularly useful for keeping your priorities straight and ensuring that you're focusing on tasks that require immediate attention. In addition to filtering by labels, Jira allows you to sort your search results by the last time they were updated. This is beneficial when you need to track progress or find the most recent changes. You simply select the last updated option, and Jira will reorganize your list to display the freshest modifications made to any issue. This feature is great for those who prefer keeping an eye on newly added developments. Moreover, the search functionality includes filtering by the reporter. The reporter in Jira is the person who has created or reported the issues. If your work involves reviewing tasks from specific colleagues or team members, typing in the reporter's name will list all the issues they've raised. It makes handling queries or pending tasks more structured, especially in a collaborative environment where knowing who is responsible for what can streamline communication. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the search features of Jira. Remember, being proficient with these tools and filters can make a world of difference in managing your workload efficiently. By understanding how to find and filter tasks by labels, update times, and the original reporter, you can allocate your time and resources much more effectively. Try these steps next time you're feeling overwhelmed by the number of tasks on your plate, and watch how quickly you regain control over your projects. Thank you for taking the time to learn about using Jira Search effectively. I hope this guide has clarified any questions or hesitations you had and empowered you with knowledge to harness the full power of Jira. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials every week. Until next time, keep those projects on track and happy searching.